Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful cat ring with wire. It is super easy to make, so if you're a cat lover, get the pliers and let's get started. This kitty ring is ready! It's so lovely, isn't it? I really hope you give it a go. You have to, seriously. So yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and if you did, please give me thumbs up and subscribe for more creative DIY jewelry. Don't miss anything and hit the notification sign. I post videos twice a week, on Wednesdays and Saturdays. And all my videos are amazing. Yeah, there's no point to keep this secret, so tell everyone. Enjoy this week, be super happy, and see you on Wednesday. Bye!